If you have an upcoming Disney cruise here in September or October, I have some cruise itinerary changes that you're going to want to know about. We're going to get into it right after this. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. Alright, so Disney Cruise Line has made some itinerary changes for the month of September and October on board the Disney Dream. So right now the Disney Dream is doing 3-night and 4-night sailings into the Bahamas with a stop at Nassau Bahamas and at Castaway Cay. Well, Disney Cruise Lines has decided to drop Nassau Bahamas from its itinerary and eliminate it as a port stop for now. So the CDC has added the Bahamas to the high-risk travel locations, which has prompted Disney to make this change. So on 3-night sailings, instead of stopping in Nassau, Disney is going to add an additional sea day. And on 4-night sailings, they're going to add a second stop at Castaway Cay. Now, me personally, an extra day at Castaway Cay or an extra sea day, you know what, that works out perfectly for me. I happen to like sea days, and I happen to really like Disney's private island. So this itinerary change would be perfect for me, but it may not be perfect for everybody. If you were hoping to stop in Nassau, Bahamas, unfortunately here for the next couple of months, it doesn't look like that's going to happen on a Disney cruise. Now, one thing to keep in mind, even with this change, you still have to be fully vaccinated if you are 12 and over, because the Disney's private island is in the Bahamas and still does fall under the vaccination requirement, and all other health and safety protocols will still be in place. If you have any questions or concerns about Disney's health and safety protocols, definitely advise you check out their website, read up, and make sure you are current if you have any upcoming Disney cruises. Alright, I hope you have enjoyed this quick cruise news update. If you have, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button, give the video a thumbs up, have yourself a great day, and we will see you out on the high seas.